Hello guys, I am the local diva and I am in Mumbai. I'm in my hotel right now and I'm staying in Kolaba. This is my first time ever in the city and I'm so excited. On the way from the airport, I got to see a little bit of the city, and talking of first impressions, I really like it. The inner city, I did not find it to be that different from other cities. Granted, I have only been to one major city in India, which is Kolkata, and I kind of saw the similarities there. However, the south side is really different. I really like it. It's really picturesque, especially with the view of the sea. I am so excited to explore more of the city. Let's go. Hello from Kolaba, Mumbai. It's early morning and I am going to the first stop in my Mumbai trip, which is the Gateway of India. It's really near to my hotel, so that's the first place I gotta go. So come with me. So the streets are really empty this morning, but I'm sure the Gateway of India is going to be kind of crowded. Here's a really pretty church and a nice building nearby. So this neighborhood, this Kolaba area that I'm staying in, it looks very fancy and it has all these really beautiful architectures and colonial buildings and stuff. So I'm excited to explore more. It's early morning and people are going for walks and stuff. Look at this building. I don't know what it is. It looks like, I don't know, maybe a hotel. It's really pretty. Oh, look at this dog. Acha. Oh. A lot of birds here. I think those are crows. Oh my god, this looks so pretty. Okay, so our first stop is not going to be the Gateway of India because I was just told it's closed. It's gonna open at 8 a.m. and I reached here at 7:30. Honestly, there was no timing anywhere. I did not know there was a timing here. But yeah, it is what it is. I'll be back here. So first, I'm gonna go have breakfast then. Oh, the sun is behind me. So one of the most famous cafes, not only in Kolaba but in all of Mumbai, is Leopold's. Here you can see. I think the entrance is over there. So it's a really historical landmark, you can say, and it's also famous for being one of the sites which was attacked by terrorists back in 2008, and apparently it still has the bullet holes for you to see. However, I almost got a heart attack looking at the prices because it's really expensive. So if you don't want to have here at Leopold Cafe, just across the street is Olympia, which is a similar historical Irani cafe, but apparently it's quite cheap. So let's go there for breakfast. So this is Olympia's famous keema pav, which is basically mutton, minced mutton and bread. So the main flavor that I'm getting from this is, I don't know what you call it in English, but we call it saunf. So yeah, the main flavor that I'm getting from this is saunf, which is an herb, a herb. Take away my English degree, please. Anyway, I feel so awkward filming myself eating because there are a lot of people around, and that's why I'm not looking at the camera much. But yeah, it's really good. The chai aa raha hai. And this is their famous Irani chai. Honestly, not that much different from a regular Indian chai. I think they just have different spices. I'm not sure. Okay, that was a good breakfast. It was only 180. And now I'm back at the Gateway of India. The gate has been opened and I am in now. And I'm just gonna show you this beautiful monument in just a second. So right in front of me is the Gateway of India, which was built in 1924 to commemorate the landing of King George V and his wife Queen Mary, who were the first British royal monarchs to step foot in India. And it took almost 10 years to build this gateway. And right behind me, the opposite of this gate, is the famous Taj Mahal Hotel, which is an iconic landmark here in Mumbai. It's even older than this gateway, and it is notorious for being one of the places which was targeted by terrorists in 2008, and many people died there. Okay, so I've exited the Gateway of India and I'm just going to Marine Drive now, which is literally nearby. I think it starts from Gateway of India, in fact. But I forgot to tell you guys, some boys came up to me and wanted to take a selfie with me. I didn't take a video of that, but yeah, I feel like a white person now. So I think the Marine Drive promenade starts from here. Basically, it's like a sidewalk that goes all the way and follows the bay. And yeah, basically a place for walking, jogging, just hanging out and stuff. And here we have the beautiful Arabian Sea. This is actually really pretty. And it was really hot just a few minutes ago, but as you can see, there are dark clouds everywhere. I think it's going to rain. It is the monsoon season after all. There's a nice breeze coming in from the sea, which is really cooling, especially in this hot weather. Yeah. And right there is the Gateway of India and the Taj Mahal Hotel. Okay, so I was wrong. This isn't the Marine Drive. This is just a short and sweet promenade near the Gateway of India and Taj, but it is not the Marine Drive. It is on the other side of the city, literally across from here. So yeah, I was wrong about that. So it is still early for shops and stuff to open up, so everything is kind of closed right now. Even the museums and other spots aren't open until later, so I guess I'll just walk around until things open up. I woke up way too early for Mumbai apparently. So a lot of Arabic perfume shops in this lane. I think most of these places and these stores here are owned by Middle Eastern people, in this lane at least. I forgot to tell you guys, I also met a bunch of boys from Gujarat. I think they were photographers and videographers, and they were here with a client, and they were doing like a pre-wedding photo shoot or something like that. And yeah, they took my Instagram and stuff and asked me to follow them back as well. They were really sweet. Oh, I need to buy a moisturizer. I think this is the perfect place to get it. So let's go. Oh, I actually like this store. It's really nice. And I got CeraVe lotion. So nothing is open right now. I think I'll just go back to my hotel and then venture out later. Also, it's morning, but these mosquitoes are biting me all over. What the hell?
Ladies and gentlemen,